Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Firstly, open WhatsApp app in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on privacy. Next, tap on last seen and online. Next, tap on same as last seen. So this is how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.